Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a free chat app that launched at the dawn of the smartphone era in 2009. It wasn't until 2015 that it became the most popular communication app worldwide. Nowadays, it's virtually ubiquitous in most of Europe, Latin America, and in the Middle East. The popularity of WhatsApp is because it's free, it doesn't have ads, and of course, it has huge existing user base. It also features end-to-end encryption, so your messages are private and secure. However, security policy changes in early 2021 mean the app can share some of your data with Facebook. In addition to standard one-on-one and group chats, you can also voice or video calls free of charge, even internationally. Remember that this will eat up your data when not connected to Wi-Fi. So to use your WhatsApp, open WhatsApp on your phone, then click the Chats tab, and here tap the green circle with messaging icon on the bottom right of your screen. Then choose your contact from your list or click magnify and type the name of the person you want to message. And now, you can use WhatsApp and start chatting. Here, you can type what you want and you can attach your files, you can take a photo, you can record, and you can also video call, and you can also video chat. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!